Today class is about use of preposition. A preposition is a word used to show position, place or time. To put it briefly, preposition are words which connect nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in the sentences. So, preposition act between a place, time. Okay, it shows what is a place and time, and it explains the connection between a noun and a pronoun. Preposition are classified as simple preposition, compound preposition and phrasal preposition. Simple preposition words are at, by, for, from, in, of, on, out. Till, to, up, with, as. These are called as your simple. Compound preposition: above, about, before, behind, within, without, across, below. Between, outside, against, upon, into, inside, near. After, among, since, through, under, down, during. Sorry, the since spelling is wrong. So, better instead of O, put I. Of the sake of extra. Where you can use the words above for a higher position, across from this side to other side, after one follows the other, against the directed towards, along in a line or from the point, among in a group you can use, around in a circular way, at the particular position, behind at the back of, below lower than, beside next to. Between in each side you can use by, near, close to means near, down, from high to low you can use the word down, from the place where it, in front of the direction, inside, opposite of outside, in places seen, into, entering, near, close, off, away from, on, touches a surface, onto, moving to a place, opposite on the other side, out of, leaving, outside, opposite of inside, over the bridge, past, going near the land. Round in a circle, through, from one point to other, to, places to, towards, in direction, under, below, up, from high. A preposition is a part of speech that shows the relationship between two things. So for location you can use on, under, in. For timing, before, after, during. For direction, from, toward, to.